Chevy Impala 2024, elegance and power in every detail. The 2024 Chevy Impala is a testament to innovation and sophistication in the world of sedans. With a long tradition dating back to 1958, the Impala continues to impress with its blend of style, performance, and comfort. This 2024 model refines the brand's legacy with modern, enhanced features, ensuring an unparalleled driving experience. Exterior design, imposing presence. The 2024 Chevy Impala features an exterior design that combines traditional robustness with a touch of modernity. Its wide, aggressive front grille is complemented by sharp LED headlights, which not only provide efficient illumination, but also give the car a striking, contemporary appearance. The sleek, aerodynamic lines along the body enhance the Impala's imposing stance, while the 19-inch alloy wheels add a sporty and sophisticated touch. Interior, luxury and comfort. Inside, the Impala 2024 continues to set high standards for comfort and quality. The cabin is designed to offer a luxurious driving experience, with high-quality materials including premium leather and real wood trims. The ergonomically designed seats provide exceptional support and electric adjustments to ensure maximum comfort on long journeys. The cabin is equipped with a multi-zone climate control system, allowing all occupants to enjoy a pleasant environment regardless of external conditions. Advanced technology, connectivity, and entertainment. The 2024 Chevy Impala is at the forefront of automotive technology, incorporating a state-of-the-art infotainment system. The 8-inch touchscreen is the hub of operations, offering an intuitive and responsive interface for access to navigation, music, and apps. Compatibility with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ensures seamless integration with mobile devices, while the premium Bose audio system delivers high-fidelity sound. Performance and driving dynamics. Under the hood, the 2024 Impala is equipped with a 3.6-liter V6 engine, delivering an impressive 305 horsepower. This engine is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and responsive drive. The front-wheel drive system and independent suspension ensure a balanced and comfortable driving experience, whether on urban roads or long trips. The Impala also features a sport driving mode that adjusts the vehicle's settings for a more dynamic and engaging performance. Safety, protection, and confidence. The 2024 Chevy Impala does not compromise on safety. The vehicle comes equipped with a comprehensive range of driver assistance features, including automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision alert. The 360-degree camera system offers a complete view around the vehicle, making maneuvering easier and enhancing safety in congested environments. Efficiency and economy. Despite its robust performance, the 2024 Impala offers notable fuel efficiency for its class. With an average of approximately 20 kilometers per liter in the city and 29 kilometers per liter on the highway, the Impala combines power and economy, providing an ideal balance between performance and efficiency. In summary, the 2024 Chevy Impala is an excellent choice for those seeking a sedan that offers an unparalleled combination of style, comfort, and performance. With its sleek design, luxurious interior, advanced technology, and cutting-edge safety features, the Impala continues to be a standout option in the market. If you are looking for a vehicle that blends tradition with innovation, the 2024 Chevy Impala is worth your consideration. This model not only maintains the brand's prestige, but also elevates the driving experience to new heights, ensuring that every journey is a pleasure in every sense. Exterior design. Imposing and stylish. The exterior design of the 2024 Chevy Impala is a true masterpiece. The combination of sculpted lines and aerodynamic contours not only enhances the vehicle's efficiency, but also contributes to a striking presence on the road. The wide front grille, framed by chrome accents, and the sharp LED headlights provide a distinctive visual signature, ensuring that the Impala stands out in any setting. The 19-inch alloy wheels are not only a visual delight, but also improve the vehicle's stability and handling. The result is a sedan that exudes sophistication and sportiness in equal measure. Interior, a luxurious retreat. Inside the 2024 Chevy Impala, you are welcomed by an environment that redefines comfort and luxury. The interior is adorned with high-quality materials, such as premium leather and real wood trim, creating an atmosphere of opulence. The seats are designed not only to offer exceptional support, but also to ensure a comfortable driving experience in any condition. The multi-zone climate control system is a notable addition, allowing each occupant to adjust the temperature to their liking, ensuring a pleasant journey regardless of the external weather. Advanced technology. Innovation at your fingertips. The 2024 Chevy Impala is a showcase of cutting-edge technology. The 8-inch infotainment system is intuitive and easy to use, providing quick access to all essential functions, such as navigation, music, and apps. Compatibility with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ensures seamless integration with your smartphone, allowing you to stay connected while on the road. The premium Bose audio system transforms each journey into a personal concert, delivering unparalleled sound quality that enhances the driving pleasure. Performance. Power and refinement. Under the hood, the 2024 Impala does not disappoint. The 3.6-liter V6 engine delivers 305 horsepower, providing robust acceleration and agile handling. The 6-speed automatic transmission operates smoothly, allowing the Impala to move with impressive ease. The front-wheel drive system and independent suspension work together to ensure a stable and comfortable ride. Additionally, the Sport Driving Mode is a feature that transforms the vehicle's dynamics, offering a more responsive and engaging driving experience for those moments when you crave a bit more excitement. Safety. Tradition and innovation. Safety in the 2024 Chevy Impala is an uncompromising priority. Equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features, the Impala ensures that you and your passengers are always protected. Automatic emergency braking and blind spot monitoring are just a few of the features that help prevent accidents. The 360-degree camera system provides a complete view around the vehicle, making maneuvering easier and enhancing safety, especially in heavy traffic situations. Fuel efficiency. Power with economy. Despite its impressive power, the 2024 Impala does not compromise on fuel efficiency. With an average of approximately 20 kilometers per liter in the city and 29 kilometers per on the highway, this sedan offers a remarkable balance between robust performance and fuel economy. This means you can enjoy powerful driving without worrying excessively about refueling costs. Conclusion: that exceeds expectations. The 2024 Chevy Impala is the ideal choice for those seeking a sedan that combines refined style, luxurious comfort, and impressive performance. Its elegant and modern design, coupled with an opulent interior and advanced technology, makes it a standout vehicle in the market. If you are looking for a sedan that blends tradition with innovation, the 2024 Chevy Impala is an option that not only meets but exceeds expectations, providing an unparalleled driving experience in every respect.